We are going to take a look at a CR Onsrud 36210 inverted pin router with a vacuum pump. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a really fine example of a well-maintained CR Onsrud 36210 inverted pin router. It's their largest model, sporting a 36-inch throat and a 10 horsepower 3600 RPM motor. The spindle is belt-driven and runs at 25,000 RPM. There is 3 inches of spindle travel that is pneumatically controlled via a foot pedal, while the maximum workpiece template height is 4 inches. The table measures 43 inches wide and is 31 inches deep. Included is a 3/4 horsepower gassed vacuum pump.